Announced yesterday it was a bombshell that the state is working to eliminate all mandated childhood vaccines.
Florida would be the first state to do that. Local 10's Leanne Modajon is live outside Jackson Memorial Hospital.
And I know you have a lot of reaction to what was indeed a shocking announcement yesterday, Leanne.
It was a shocking announcement, but the announcement alone doesn't change anything for the time being. A sweeping removal of all childhood vaccine mandates would have to come through the Florida legislature. But you bet a lot of people are talking about this, as it is a very unique stance for the states. If this were to go through, Florida would be the first state in the country to enact such a removal of childhood vaccine mandates.
Who am I to tell you what your child should put in your body?
Florida Surgeon General Dr. Joseph Ladapo says the state will work to eliminate all childhood vaccine mandates.
Every last one of them is wrong and drips with disdain and slavery.
Ladapo made the announcement with the governor Wednesday.
My view is unless there's a really clear reason to put something in, then I wouldn't do it, right? I mean, that's just the way kind of I am.
Right now in Florida, for a child to attend daycare or a public school, they must be vaccinated for diseases like measles, chickenpox, polio, and others. Other medical experts are sounding the alarm.
Vaccines are the most important public health measure that exists.
Antonio White of the United Teachers of Dade says teachers he's spoken with are in disbelief.
Teachers have been emailing and they're saying, is this true? I simply can't believe that this is taking place. We know that immunizations have been taking place in public schools for as long as public schools have existed.
Some state lawmakers are reacting to the announcement. Congresswoman Frederica Wilson is calling for Ladapo to step down or be fired. In a statement, Florida Senator Rick Scott said Florida already has a good system that allows families to opt out based on religious or personal beliefs, which balances our children's health and parents' rights. While some parents do see this move as medical freedom, this mom says vaccine mandates are necessary.
The governor needs to make sure that it is mandated for kids to have in school. It shouldn't be that, no, they shouldn't have it. It's something they need.
And Miami-Dade County Public Schools told me that they are aware of this announcement and say that for the time being, they will continue to follow state law as written until they get more guidance from the Florida Department of Education. We've also reached out to Broward County Public Schools as well as the Archdiocese of Miami for their comment on this announcement and are still waiting to hear back. Reporting live in Miami, I'm Leanne Modajon, Local 10 News.